Hey guys, we just arrived at the Eldorado in Reno, Nevada. We're gonna get checked in and we'll show you our room. So here we are on the 9th floor, room 975.
In the Sierra Tower.
In the Sierra Tower. So I think we'll start here in the restroom since it's right here on the right. And actually it's really nice, ton of counter space. And it looks like a new countertop, I would say. Very nice shower bath combo. We'll see how the water pressure is and temperature. And let's see, we've got the closet here and a safe, which is nice. Good sized closet. And then coming into the room, it's actually pretty good size, you know? They do have a Keurig coffee maker, which if you've watched any of our videos, you know we absolutely love that because we drag ours everywhere. So we didn't have to do that this time. Good size fridge.
Yeah, that's a good size fridge.
Nice. And I would say good size TV.
Nice big desk area.
Few drawers. Yeah, big area just to put stuff on. And a little like chaise for relaxing. And our view isn't stellar. We've got a lot of rooftop there, but you know, it's okay. We're here for a few nights and we've never stayed here before, so we'll definitely let you know what we think about our room and the property. Hey you guys, we just checked out at the Eldorado in downtown Reno and we're starting on our second leg of our trip heading up to Lake Tahoe where we're going to stay at Harvey's. So it was our first time staying at Eldorado and we were really impressed. I mean, our room was extremely clean and definitely had been modernized, I would say. Yeah. You know, I mean, it and it was recently, and it was really good size. I mean, we've stayed in some really small places, so it was really nice. And the shower, really hot water, good pressure, always important. The beds were comfy. Wasn't a fan of the pillows. Just if you don't want a big, huge
just a
pillow,
big, huge pillow. They don't give you like a selection of pillows. It's just two really big pillows
that, like, you know, give you a crink in your neck. You know, so you may want to bring your own pillow, but. Other than that, the room was comfy. I mean, what do you think about the air conditioning? I mean, it was kind of...
It kept up, but we would have liked it colder.
Yeah, we definitely run a little hot, so...
I think at night, you know, it seemed like it was getting a little stuffy. We had it on the coldest setting, and it was fine, but, you know, we would have liked it colder.
Yeah, and, you know, the property, we really enjoyed it, and it's, if you've ever been to the Row in Reno, it's connected to two other hotels, so Silver Legacy and Circus, which are all Caesar's properties. So you don't even have to go outside. So if, you know, weather is bad, hot or cold, and, you know, downtown Reno's a little sketchy.
Yeah.
So it's kind of nice not having to go out, you know, and mill about with the street people. Yeah. So, but overall, I mean, I think we would definitely stay there again. Yeah. We had a positive experience. Tried some restaurants. We'll, you know, look for those reviews. And the elevators were too full. You know, we didn't have to wait for elevators. We were on the 9th floor. I think overall everything was pretty good.
I can't say enough too that all the staff we came across, and especially the housekeeping, boy, they really do a good job. I mean, I was impressed.
True. Yeah, really nice. And they come daily. You know, some hotels now they won't even do that. So very impressed. So I think we give Eldorado a thumbs up here.
Full recommendation.
Yeah, in Reno, and we'll get back to you and show you what we think about Harvey's, our next stop. Thanks for watching, guys.